welcome back to our channel and welcome to episode 5. And this episode we're going to be building the ceiling. So actually we're going to install some friction strip, we're going to put the insulation, put the vapor barrier, and then we're going to join all the vapor barriers with the walls. So thank you so much for watching this episode. We actually finished the insulation on all the van right now. The vapor barrier is connecting from the floor to the ceiling. There's no gap of hair that can escape now. The ceiling didn't took us that much time. We're pretty used to the step now of putting in the fern strip, the insulation, the vapor barrier. So it's a pretty quick episode, but starting next episode is going to be pretty exciting. We're actually going to install the floor. So once again, thank you very much for watching. Have a good day, and we'll see you next time.